So Sigma Group is a collection of services that we offer for industry-specific items, including from equipment all the way through electronic recycling. C&I makes up the electronics recycling portion of that company.
C&I's primary purpose is data destruction and data security. They also provide electronic recycling. So with C&I's 20+ years experience, the most important thing we build is trust.
For companies that are focused heavily on environmental sustainability and are worried about their components and electronics going to landfill, so when we bring those in, we can ensure through the R2 certification as well that those items go to downstream suppliers, that they never go to landfill, that their carbon footprint from an overall destruction to the environment is maintained and it becomes less impactful to the environment.
With C&I, the data destruction is done through actually shredding of solid state and hard drives. We also have a sanitation process where we are going in and removing information from the drive electronically.
So C&I offers two different types of services in order to handle electronics and pick up those electronics. So the first being regional or scheduled pickup service, where in our regional local area, we will schedule and we routinely go to multiple locations throughout our area. We'll schedule those pickups. There's a contact form on our website, fill out information, what you need picked up, and one of our customer service representatives will contact them and schedule pickup. For those customers that are outside of our kind of regional area, we have a service as well that we call our crate program, which is we will send them pre-packaged crates, handle the shipping, they'll fill those up, we'll bring them in-house, and then there'll be a service charge associated with that. C&I really added to the Sigma Group portfolio, and that's why we brought them in. And the real reason was because Sigma Equipment and Sigma Group had focused on the environmental sustainability portion from a heavy industrial equipment side and manufacturing side, but really now C&I adds that commercial electronics and IT support services, data destruction, as well as environmental sustainability.